Big exclusive, the foreign institutional investors are willing to tolerate the short-term pain of demonetization for a period of around 6 to 9 months. And that's the word coming in from Robert Buckland, who's a global equity strategist at Citi. Here's an excerpt of that exclusive chat that Lata Venkatesh, our colleague, had with him on the government's cash cleanup drive and where India stands in the emerging market pecking order for Citi.
Global investors are looking at the longer-term picture. I think they like the motivation for what is occurring here in India. They like the economy coming online and all of these sorts of issues. Increasing efficiency could come as a result of that. So they like that story. The question for you guys is that if it leads to a shorter-term blip in the data, are my clients going to be tolerant of that in terms of improving the longer-term picture? I think for now they will probably be willing to do that, but it can get choppy.
From a global point of view, we have one big sector that's exposed to the IT sector, the infotech sector.
Yeah.
So what's your view? Should we worry about Trump and sell-off in IT? Will you expect sell-off in IT?
Yeah, I mean, the IT sector is partly being reappraised in the US, this idea that Apple designs iPhones in America, but it makes them in China. You know, Donald Trump's been talking about things like that. You guys here have been a beneficiary of the offshoring move that we've seen in financial services. In financial services is less easy to reconstruct. You guys are not making things that could be made in America. You're doing things that could be done in America. I think the making things is going to be the easier focus for him than the doing things that the financial services companies play in. So it might be an issue for you, but it could be more of an issue for the actual making goods component of the manufacturing supply chains.
Would India be a relative outperformer in an otherwise underperforming emerging market basket?
Yeah, we think generally India is better placed to deal with the difficult theme of the rising dollar for emerging markets than most other EM.